What's going on, guys? ATSD Plays here. I'm joined here by Tyler, who's never been on a video before. We're just gonna play Fortnite, and we're gonna decide what we're gonna be doing in Fortnite, or we're just gonna play a regular match while we load into the match. I'll see you there. Okay, guys, we're loading into the match. We decided what we're gonna be doing. We're going to be doing the fishing only challenge for real this time, guys. And see where my marker is? They're landing there. Let's go. So we're landing here because I've done a fishing challenge before off camera. Probably the best place to do it. Because there's the water that if we get hurt, it heals us. So we really won't take damage while we're there, because the water will just heal us over and over again. You might be seeing Tyler a little more in the videos of I don't know how to do auto run. Let's land. The audio might not be great. Tyler, we just got 2 more people coming. Yep. So once we get a fishing rod, we gotta go right into the water. So come over here by me. You see me? Yep. You're gonna land right on that dock. So you see the barrel of fishing rods? Right here? Yep. Okay, I think there's only one. Haha, screw you. Get in the water, I'm gonna go get you some. I'm gonna go get you one. It's like a dock over here, yeah. I'm gonna bring our boat around. Grab another fishing rod. Bring a boat around. So, you see those rings, Tyler? Yep. You want to fish in those? They give you really good stuff. Right there, right here. And I'm not sure how to. And here's your fishing rod. Get it in the boat. Take your fishing rod. You cannot be on the boat.
Where's the fishing rod?
Over there in the water. Right there.
Where?
Right behind you.
Oh.
Over by the waterfall, right over there.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna fish around, wait, and the key is to get caught in the storm.
Why?
Because on the first tick, it's not gonna do any damage to us. I mean, it will, but not. It's gonna regen right away because of this water. But then 2 ticks, we're gonna start.
Wait, how do you tell when what to talk?
The ticks.
A fish on the line.
It'll show just look at the bobber. It's like normal fishing.
Okay.
So it's pretty simple. We got 2 minutes to get as much fish as we can, and we keep fishing while the storm's coming. I'm only getting big fish, which really isn't a good thing, because we want the mini fish.
Wait, what's the fish doing?
They heal you.
Oh yeah, I got one.
It can also give you guns.
Okay.
Yeah. But we don't care about the guns. See? We just got a tactical shotgun. Look over here. Tyler, just look on the screen. You're sitting right next to me.
It's funny, you know, I'm an old pro at this game, so.
Yeah, you just got it, so.
I've had it before. This is a newer account for me, but I used to be pretty well at this game.
So you want to get as many fish as you can, but it'll show splashing water when there's a fish. You want to get as much fish as you can, because when you get all the fish you can, it'll help you just survive longer in the storm. You don't want when it's a 1 tick, I'll tell you when to start eating fish. Okay? Because on the first tick, nothing's gonna happen to you.
Just getting some ammo here.
I really need ammo. Just got another tac shotgun. There's a 2 tacs fighting. And if you're ever getting shot at, you go underneath the waterfall.
Underwater.
Well, not the waterfall, but the drainage. I have 60 wood from the water.
We have 30 wood.
And now I have 30 brick.
I have 30 fish.
Nice.
Good idea.
What kind of fish?
The small one.
Small fry. Is it orange, purple, or is it gray?
It's blue and gray.
Well, yeah, so you have small fry. They give they're like bandages, but faster. So I have 8 small fry and 4 big. You see the storm coming now?
Should we go?
No, we can't leave the water.
Maybe then we're gonna get trapped, right? Why are we gonna do that?
Because with the fish, we'll be able to survive. And being in this water, we won't lose health at the first kick. And it actually, every time we've done this, we either got top 3, top 2, or first place.
How many fish you got?
I have 10 of the small fry. Alright, ready for this? And now just get over here into this water and watch. You won't lose health. See?
I have 4 fish.
Nice.
Is that good?
Kind of.
I have so much ammo.
Yeah, I have a lot of small fry. I have 12.
I have 5. I have 6. It's starting to come out more.
You'll be fine. You can see that on the map. We're in 50 players remaining and we're not losing health. I'm gonna drop the big one. Don't drop all your big fish like that,
I
like the floppers. And don't use, just so we don't use the floppers until it's a 5 tick. And that's when it takes that 5 health.
Or should I hold on to a flopper?
No, don't touch. They're just so we don't hold up space, so we can hold the smaller fish for the 2 tick. And if you need any smaller fish, if you need any small fry, I'll give to you.
Yeah.
Because I can tell that you don't have too much.
I'm gonna do that.
I have 13.
No, I have 8, so.
Okay, that's not bad.
Make that.
Okay, so it's a 2 tick now. No, it's almost. In 2
Is it
minutes,
one?
it's going to be a 2 tick. 2 minutes. And if you jump up and down, you'll be able to tell. But don't jump because they'll make you lose health.
Should we run now?
No. If we get out of this kind of water, we're going to die.
Oh, I only have 95 health.
You have 95?
Yeah, because I ran into the brown thing.
The brown thing on the land.
I think I'm good. I have 10 fish.
Nice, but you're getting a lot more. Because when it comes to the harder zone, oh shit, fish. See, it's getting really dark.
Yeah.
In a minute, it's gonna become really dark, and it's gonna be 2 ticks. That's when we're gonna use the small fry. But we only use the small fry when we're at 50 health or lower.
Yeah.
And if you ever die and need to be revived, you have to get revived right away. So you have to eat a fish right after. So we survive and
How much fish do you have?
I have almost one more. I need one more to make it 12. I need one more to make it 18.
Okay, so you have about 8 more fish now. What do the rusty cannons do?
Oh, they do 50 damage to anyone throw that.
Oh, in a dock?
What?
You want to switch to one? Should we start to run?
No. We'll be fine. Stay here the whole time. We stay here till we die. And now you'll see it's a 2-tick on. Start losing a lot more health.
Is this one we run?
No, actually, can't tell. No, I think it's still a 1-tick. Wow.
No, it's 2-tick.
Are you losing health?
Or no, it's actually. Yeah,
okay, we're fine. Keep fishing. Don't stop. You don't stop fishing until you notice that there's nothing left.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fish.
So once I got second place, I was screwed a bit because I was dying really fast. There was 2 other players. I was hoping they'd fight each other, but they were on the same team. So doesn't help when.
Alright, I think I haven't caught anything in a while.
I'm getting a lot of small fry. Oh, the slurp fish. We don't touch the slurp fish until it's at 10-tick. Once it's at 10-tick, that's when we really gotta worry.
Well, how much longer will we be here?
Until we die. That shouldn't be too long.
Why until we die? Why don't we just run to the sun?
Because if we leave this water, we're not allowed to leave the water because we have fishing rods. In this challenge, we're not allowed to leave the water. And anywhere we go, if we go upstream that way or that way, there's no, there's not this water everywhere. And if we go into any other waters than this, we'll die. So, right now, we're stranded here unless you want to die.
So stupid.
I know. That's why we record these challenges. Super challenges are the fun ones. And now it's a 2-tick.
So now what?
So now when you get down to 50 health, eat fish. Eat the small fry.
Well, what if there's no more fish?
Then we're done. But we keep fishing. So we don't really run out.
So I don't even need them?
No.
I ate a fish.
There's not going to be anyone here. We're past the middle of the storm. Look where the storm is and look where we are.
How much snowball do you have?
I need 2 more to fill my entire inventory with it.
Ah.
I don't stop fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna use some more fry. I got 75, and now we keep fishing.
Wait, does it do 25 per fish?
About. You just want to eat till you're at 75 health. But you really want to ration them. And I mean, just don't eat them until you really, really need them. That's why we threw away all the big fish. So when we need them, they're there. Don't forget to eat too. Sometimes that happens. Alright. So there's 14 people left. See? Told you this strategy works. Look how many people are left. We've been here the whole game. Don't forget to eat. So it's just pretty calm when you're in here, except it gets really pretty rough here when the other person dies and you need more fish. When you run out of fish, it gets really hectic because you're running around trying to fish while you're dying. And if that happens when you're at the 2-tick, if you're at 2-tick with no fish, you're gonna die. Not as fast as you would out of the water, but still, you die pretty fast.
That's why we have a bunch of fish. How much fish do you got?
I just had a full inventory of it, and now it's a 5K.
So now we're done?
No, eat fish. Eat fish. It's for 8 fish. Now we don't stop eating fish. Well, only eat fish when you're at 30 health now. Just then you really want to save them.
At 30?
Okay, eat fish. Okay, you can stop fishing now. Just wait. But you don't want to you don't want to just start eating. Save the big fish still until it's a 10 tick.
I'm eating the green ones.
Don't eat those.
Oh, don't?
Wait, where's 10 tick? Wait, do you have any small fry?
No.
Here, take the 6.
Oh, no.
Eat. Oh. Okay, getting close to death, I'm gonna start fishing. I know, that's why we do it. Small fry, please. Wait, fish, okay, I'm eating it. Oh my god, no. Ah! Don't die. Give me that surfish. Okay, I'm at 100. Don't eat the swordfish unless you need it.
Yeah, well, I only have swordfish.
You only have them?
Yes.
Okay, well, really just wait till you're at like 5 health for that. Okay, eat it.
I only have the big one.
Alright, take the floppers. Floppers now.
Where the fuck? Oh, flopper. Do you have any?
I got 1. I'm still fishing them. See? There's 4 people left.
6. Oh, okay.
Right now we're in 3rd place. Told you. Works.
Oh, a couple of minutes.
Oh, I'm so dead. Small fry, please. Any small fry. This is all for nothing if I don't catch this fish. Small fry. I'm possibly dead right now. Eat, Tyler. I'm dead. Eat. Keep eating. Don't revive me. Eat now.
I got a fish.
Oh, you're dead. And we lost. 2nd. Told you. Works.
We were so close.
Told you it works.
Yeah, but these people were not gonna die.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in the future videos. Turn on the bell if you want to see every single post that we post right away. I hope you all enjoyed. Peace, we'll see you in the next one.